How to create a poll on WhatsApp on Android system. First, on your Android system home, you have to browse through the apps until you find WhatsApp and open it. Then, you can run a poll on WhatsApp choosing someone, a conversation, or a group. For this example, I'll select a group. When the group screen opens, tap the paperclip icon. Now choose Poll. To run a poll, you have to type a question. For instance, I'll type, "Do you speak English?" and I'll add the answer options, yes or no. If you tap and hold one of the 4 lines icons on the right of an answer option, you have the opportunity to change the answer option's positions if you drag it up or down. When you're done, just need to tap over this green button. I've just created a poll in this group conversation. If someone votes and we tap over View Votes, you'll be able to check what everyone voted for. If you liked this video, touch the subscribe button for more WhatsApp and Android tutorials.